Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for HBAR price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting of course on the daily chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, a finished impulse toward the upside, finishing a wave A or a wave 1, potentially of course for higher prices. Now, of course, I didn't do HBAR since a long time. Was from the latest analysis. But it looks like it is unfolding perfectly with it. I think the last time we were somewhere in this correction here, and we were expecting after an ABC here, finish a wave B or a wave Y in W, X, and a Y, and looking for higher prices for a wave C. So it looks like even that your wave 1 has unfolded very massively towards the upside, and of course with this wave 1 we can now look of course for a wave 2, 3, 4 and 5, however to be checked later on. So where we are right now here, where we have finished of course ABC as a zigzag for W, and then ABC, I think ABC for the X, and then ABC here for the Y. Your wave C, of course, it looks like the last time we were here in the C, so this is where it has bottomed finally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually, or yeah. I mean, it looks like an impulse here, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that means it might be a running flat here. ABC, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves short, did not took the low. Yeah, I would say this is definitely an ABC here as a running flat. So I'm gonna remove the ABC. Just to see, of course, the healthiness of this correction, guys. Nothing important at the end. We have bottomed for a wave B exactly here. So the things are like this. So if we dive deeper in this wave to see what's going on, we have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. That's good, where we have here 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. We have finished a wave of 1 here. We are looking for a wave 2. However, that wave 2 looks like did not really unfold nicely yet, because we did not even get a lower. Let me check what's going on. So wave 2, yeah, so your wave 2 needs to touch at least the 0.38 fib level if we are impulsive, guys. Now let me check, even at least it has touched the, okay, it has, yeah, just touched the 0.23 and then moved directly, even did not touch it. Wow, okay, H bar is really impulsive here. Something reminds me was Bitcoin in the middle of the bull run, where it just fly against gravity without touching any ground level. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's see here. Yeah, but look at this. You got directly 3 waves after the top here. Once you see 3 waves directly, you know that you are corrective, and you know that you did not finish yet. And as you can see here, you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then yeah, again 3 waves down and 3 waves up. So I think this is a kind of a triangle here formation, where we are looking probably, but no, we cannot say triangle. Guess why? Because this low, yeah, I know it is very shallow, but it has took this low. So there is no triangle even. Okay, no triangle, then what is it? If no triangle, ABC, ABC, okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it should take, of course, the 0.38, guys, the minimum requirement of a wave 2. So I believe that we did not really start an impulse yet in H bar. Let me check on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour chart. ABC, as you can see, and then ABC again, 1, 2. Yeah, I mean everything looks like zigzags here. ABC and then A, B, and a C. 1, 2, 3. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this looks like a contracting diagonal. Very weird. It's very weird to have a contracting diagonal and not looking at an impulse, yeah? Because contracting diagonal often appear only in a wave 1 for an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here, a contracting diagonal has appeared suddenly, yeah, without an impulse. In case, yeah, and then we took the low. So yeah, definitely invalidated. Um, very tricky, very tricky. And that because, of course, we took the low here. I cannot really say, unless it is a very rare case scenario of a barrier triangle, we call it. Okay, this is very Elliott wave theory right now. Barrier triangle, and that means when your A, um, yeah, when your A here, if we have A, B, C, let me check A, B, and then C, D, E. Even barrier doesn't work, no. This is a very rare scenario for barrier triangle. Very complicated, to be honest, with HBAR. I did not expect this, but nothing is. I'm very sure that nothing is bullish. Yeah, but I'm just trying to decode this. So A, B, and a C probably as an expanding flat. Okay, it can be. So let's go WXY. There is no other option, guys. I still believe that we're gonna take the low. Finally, of course, this is definitely then this is W and then X as an expanding flat, and then we're looking at kind of like a zigzag probably. This is already looking like an impulse, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C for a wave 2, and then moving down. Even if you are looking here for higher prices, definitely we still need to take the low. I mean, at least even the 0.23, right? We did not really touch it. So I think that we are still looking for lower. So I'm gonna label this to not get lost for the next time, to remember it. And here we go. I think WXY is the most possible scenario right now. Your wave Y might be the several things, guys. And because we are in WXY, your wave Y might finish in a zigzag. It might finish in a running flat or normal flat. Running flat means like something like this without taking the low. Or it might finish as A, and then B, and then C, and then D, and then E. It means in a triangle as well, which is more sideways. Yeah, so and that is very possible, yeah, like this, to get a more sideways. Why it is very possible? Because look at this very long trend toward the upside, and normally when you get such a very long trend, this is what we get in the correction. Very complex and a complicated correction that it never ends, maybe, right, for a long time. So, and then start to move toward the upside. But I believe that we, of course, we are still corrective just by looking at those three waves. And I think we have to take at least, again, the 0.23 fib level at $0.23 dollar as well. And then, of course, yeah, like 60% that we have to take the low for 0.38, and then start to think to move towards the upside for, of course, after a wave 2. So that was it for HBAR. Sorry for the time, but it was a very complex structure here. I did not expect on the 1 hour chart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.